Closing your Webull account involves several steps to ensure a smooth and complete closure. Here's a guide to closing your Webull account. Withdraw funds. Login. Start by logging into your Webull account on the mobile or desktop app. Withdraw funds. Navigate to the Account tab and select Transfer or Withdraw. Transfer any remaining funds to your linked bank account. Ensure there are no pending trades or unsettled positions. Clear positions. Sell holdings. Go to the portfolio section and liquidate any open positions. Ensure all trades are settled and there are no outstanding transactions. Contact Webull support. Submit request. To formally close your account, contact Webull's customer support. You can do this via the in-app chat feature or by email. Request account closure and follow any additional instructions provided by the support team. Verify closure. Confirm. Ensure you receive confirmation from Webull that your account has been closed. This may include an email or notification within the app. Follow up. Check for remaining issues. Ensure there are no pending issues or residual funds. Review your email for any final notifications or actions needed.